What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get custom homes for your Oculus Quest. Let's get right into the video. Before going any further into the video, just make sure you have SideQuest set up and installed, and make sure your Quest is set up for SideQuest. And that's pretty much it. I will have a link to a video that I made that has the instructions on how to install SideQuest. It's very easy, very fast. You should download it and go check it out right now. So the first thing you want to do is obviously plug your Quest into your computer. But whether it be a USB 2 or USB 3, it doesn't matter as long as it connects to your computer. Next thing you want to do is open SideQuest. Make sure that the SideQuest says connected. That's very important, okay? What you want to do next is go to the currently installed apps and type in the home that you want to remove, whether it be a Rift, the Rift Home, or the Oculus Dome, or the Winter Lodge, whatever. Now, what you want to do after you type it in is click on the wheel toggle and click backup data just in case if you want that home again. And you want to click uninstall app. And what that's going to do is uninstall the home from your Oculus Quest. And the next steps are very, very easy, okay? So you want to go onto the environments that you want to download, whether it be Minecraft or Gravity Falls. They have a Discord to where you can download 3D environments, which I'll have a link in the description below, so you can be invited to their Quest homes and things like that. If you're planning to uninstall the Rift home and replace it with a new home, make sure it says Rift on the end of the thing that you're downloading. So if you want to download the Minecraft home, make sure it says Minecraft Rift home or Minecraft Winter Lodge if you want to uninstall and replace the Winter Lodge one. Very important. And assuming that you got that downloaded, you want to go on. You want to drag and drop it onto your desktop and click onto the install APK files and click on the home that you want to install, and voila, you're done. And now, after you do that, go onto your home and go onto your Oculus. Make sure that is installed on your Quest, and that is pretty much it for today's video. That's very, very simple. I think, what is it? Just about 2 minutes. So thank you guys very much. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.